Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to factory reset iPhone with a broken screen. So, you drop the iPhone and the screen is damaged and cracked. It's still on with light but doesn't bring up the settings app or respond to any tap or touch. You want to send the iPhone to the service center for repair or trade it in. And now, you're looking for a way to erase all personal data and settings with a broken screen to safeguard privacy. Yes, it's true that when the screen is broken, your iPhone refuses you to access anything inside. Though, there are still some ways you can attempt to factory reset iPhone without touching the screen. You can either use the buttons or use another device to remotely erase the device. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting ways of how to reset an iPhone with broken screen. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step to make it easy to wipe personal info off iPhone even when the screen is shattered or destroyed. The solutions work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Press some buttons to erase iPhone with broken screen. This way aims to let you contact the phone using a computer and apply the specific application to wipe all of your important data off of it. It only requires you to connect the device to the computer, press the combo button on the device, click Restore, and you're good to go. Since you're unable to erase an iPhone with a broken screen because you can't access the settings app and tap Reset to delete everything on it, this way is a lifesaver. This way also works to reset an iPhone without it being connected to Wi-Fi. Here's what you need to do. In your Windows PC or macOS computer, open Apple devices, iTunes, or Finder tool. Plug your iPhone to the computer and press specific buttons to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. A recovery mode screen will show a laptop and a cable in a black background. Next, go to Apple devices, iTunes, or a Finder window. You should see a dialog box popping up telling you there is a problem with your iPhone. This means you've now successfully accessed your iPhone with a broken screen. If you can't see the window, find your iPhone icon and click it. Alright now, to factory reset an iPhone with broken screen, choose the Restore option. Click Update and Restore. Click Next. Choose Agree. Then Restore will then begin to delete everything on your phone and bring it back to its original status. Once done, just set it up as a new one and then you can feel free to sell the iPhone, give it away or deliver it to repair. If the Apple devices, iTunes, or Finder tool fails to factory reset iPhone when screen is broken and requires you to turn off Find My iPhone first, move to the next step. Go to iCloud.com in a browser to perform a reset. Doing a remote erase is the next method to factory reset an iPhone without using the broken screen before you return the device after a warranty replacement. The whole process is easy. Open a browser, log in iCloud, choose Erase iPhone, and you're good to go. You don't do anything on the phone. Just make sure that the Find My option is turned on, it's connected to Wi-Fi, and has enough battery power. Here's what you need to do. Open any browser you frequently use. Go to iCloud.com. Enter the Apple ID and password correctly to log in. These account essentials should be the same as the one you used to sign in a broken iPhone. Once it verifies your identity, it'll bring you to the iCloud homepage. From there, find and choose Find My icon. In the list of devices, find and choose the name of your iPhone with a broken screen. Then, select Erase this device. Select Erase again to start wiping memory on a broken iPhone with no display. After around 5 minutes, the erase process will be done and your iPhone should boot up. Now, you manage to remove data and restore the iPhone to original settings before mailing it or something like that. Use another Apple device to wipe your damaged iPhone. If this is an old iPhone with a completely broken screen, chances are that you might have a new iPhone to use. For that, you can use the Find My app on your new iPhone to erase the broken iPhone. The process is almost the same as doing that through a browser. Also, make sure that the Find My option is turned on. It's connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery power. Here's how to erase an iPhone when the screen is broken in this way. In another iPhone, navigate to open the Find My app. If you've not logged in, just key in the Apple ID and password to continue. Then, locate the Devices tab on the bottom. In the list of devices, find and choose the name of your iPhone with a broken screen. Then, select Erase this device. Select Erase again. It'll then start wiping an iPhone with a broken screen and delete everything you saved. Just wait until the process finishes. Go to the Service Center. If your iPhone screen is totally smashed and useless and solutions above can't help you remove everything on the device, you'd better take it to the repair store near you. You can ask the technician there if they can help erase the data and settings on the device first before doing the repair. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to erase an iPhone with broken screen. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back to working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel Cora Radar for more tech-related content. Until next time.